Humanity's quest to explore the unknown has taken a giant leap forward, a leap that carries us to the very edge of the observable universe. Today, we celebrate a milestone in space exploration that inspires wonder, curiosity, and pride. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, our latest and most ambitious tool for uncovering the universe's secrets, has achieved something extraordinary. It has reached farther than ever before, uncovering 5 ancient galaxies that shed light on the early days of our cosmos. Let's embark on a journey together to explore this astonishing achievement, understand what it means for science, and discover how it connects to our shared curiosity about the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is a modern engineering marvel, a floating observatory designed unlike anything we've ever built. Often described as the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, JWST is equipped with innovative technologies that allow it to observe the universe in unprecedented detail. Where the Hubble focused on visible and ultraviolet light, JWST specializes in infrared imaging. This lets it look through dense cosmic clouds of gas and dust, revealing the invisible parts of space and peeling back layers of the universe that were previously impossible to observe. Engineered with a massive golden mirror and shielded from the sun's heat by its tennis court-sized sunshield, JWST functions from a location over 1 million miles away from Earth. From this vantage point, free from Earth's atmospheric interference, JWST can peer into the past, billions of years into the history of the cosmos. This telescope is about more than technology, it's about curiosity and wonder, representing humanity's determination to understand our place in the universe. The universe is vast, stretching billions of light years in every direction. However, there's a limit to what we can see. This limit is defined by what we call the observable universe, the part of space from which light has had time to travel to us since the Big Bang. The edge of the observable universe is more than a physical boundary, it's a time machine. Light from this region has been traveling for over 13 billion years, meaning we can see the universe as it existed long ago, billions of years before our Sun or Earth ever formed. Reaching this edge has been a dream of astronomers for generations. And now, we've achieved the impossible. JWST has pushed past previous limits, allowing us to witness galaxies that formed in the universe's infancy, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. These discoveries transport us to the dawn of creation, to an era when darkness gave way to starlight and galaxies began to emerge. Using its infrared capabilities, JWST has unveiled 5 unique galaxies near the edge of the observable universe. Each of these galaxies represents a chapter in the story of the cosmos, helping scientists piece together how the universe evolved over time. These galaxies are unlike the ones we see today. They existed when the universe was in its teenage years, turbulent, dynamic, and still forming its first stars. Their light, traveling billions of years, carries the history of star births, chemical processes, and the chaotic interactions that shaped them. What makes these galaxies remarkable is their age and distance. The light we're seeing today was emitted more than 13 billion years ago, shortly after the Big Bang. JWST's ability to capture such faint and ancient signals is nothing short of extraordinary. These galaxies help scientists understand how early stars formed and how matter coalesced to form the first galactic structures. How did JWST achieve this groundbreaking feat? The key lies in its unmatched infrared imaging system. As the universe expands, the light emitted by distant galaxies gets stretched into longer wavelengths, moving from visible light to infrared. This is why telescopes that detect visible light, like Hubble, can't capture the oldest and most distant galaxies. But JWST was designed specifically for this task. Its powerful infrared sensors can detect these stretched-out signals, even those buried behind layers of cosmic dust. Imagine looking at the world through a veil. JWST removes that veil, revealing the unseen and bringing to light the secrets of the past. This breakthrough is more than a technological achievement, it's a scientific triumph that will help us better understand not only the early universe but also how galaxies like our own Milky Way came to be. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder, as if the stars were whispering ancient secrets? JWST takes that feeling and magnifies it 1,000-fold. The imagery captured by this telescope is nothing short of breathtaking. Picture this: vast stretches of space painted in deep purples, luminous golds, and shimmering blues. Billions of stars dot the canvas, while ghostly clouds of gas and intricate galactic formations create an ethereal backdrop. Imagining the 5 newly discovered galaxies, perched at the very edge of the observable universe, provides a glimpse into this cosmic beauty. In this video, we'll bring these extraordinary discoveries to life. Through a combination of real images, artist renderings, and computer animations, you'll witness the unveiling of these galaxies, one frame at a time. These visuals aren't just for astronomy enthusiasts, they're a gift for anyone who longs to connect with the beauty and mystery of the cosmos. You might wonder, why does any of this matter? Why should we care about these faint, ancient galaxies that existed so long ago? Here's why. These galaxies hold clues to some of the universe's most profound questions: how stars were born, how galaxies formed, and ultimately, how we got here. Studying them isn't just about looking outward, it's about understanding our origins and our place in this vast cosmic web. Think about this: every atom in your body, every molecule of air you breathe, was forged in the heart of a star billions of years ago. By looking at these early galaxies, we're looking at the processes that made life itself possible. This discovery is also a testament to human ingenuity. It shows what can be achieved when we dream big, collaborate across borders, and focus on understanding the universe together. The achievements of the JWST aren't just for scientists or engineers, they're for all of us. They remind us that, despite our differences, we share one planet, one universe, and one collective curiosity. Astronomy has always been a universal language. Looking up at the stars, people across cultures, continents, and centuries have marveled at the same celestial wonders. JWST connects us to this long tradition of exploration and discovery. And as JWST's data continues to pour in, there's a place for everyone in this journey. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer, a student with a telescope, or someone who simply loves to stargaze, you're part of this collective effort to understand the cosmos. We're all explorers, united by our desire to know what's beyond the horizon. Looking deeper into space is like looking further back in time. These 5 galaxies connect the earliest moments of the universe to the intricate cosmic tapestry we see today. They bridge our past to our present and serve as a foundation for exploring the universe's future. JWST is just beginning its mission. It will continue uncovering secrets about galaxy formation, black holes, exoplanets, and much more. Each discovery builds upon the last, revealing a universe that is rich, complex, and filled with the unknown. The story of space exploration is one of constant discovery, of walking forward into the darkness and lighting it up with knowledge. JWST ensures that future generations will have an even better understanding of the universe than we do now. What's next for JWST? With this extraordinary start, the telescope's work is far from over. Scientists are already planning more ambitious targets, including searching for the earliest stars, mapping dark matter, and even probing the atmospheres of distant exoplanets for signs of life. But this is about more than just the telescope. It's about nurturing curiosity for future breakthroughs. Who knows what these discoveries will inspire? They might ignite the imagination of a young child who goes on to design the next telescope, or even a spacecraft capable of reaching the stars. As we celebrate this historic discovery, let us pause to reflect on what it represents. The James Webb Space Telescope is the culmination of decades of innovation, creativity, and resilience. It is a symbol of what humanity can achieve when we come together to pursue knowledge and understanding. So, as you look up at the stars tonight, remember that we've reached the edge of the observable universe. We've glimpsed galaxies that existed billions of years ago. We've traveled, in a sense, to the dawn of time. And still, the universe calls to us, vast, mysterious, and filled with endless wonder. Let's keep answering that call, together. Stay curious, keep looking to the stars, and remember, the universe awaits.